Daily routine of Stephanie Bersin. Stephanie Bersin is dean of the Faculty of Social, Political, and Practice Sciences. In this role, he leads the college as an integrated and collaborative community with a deep concern for the study of society and social relations is combined with training and research that promotes practice and politics. Um, the Amberson vision for the Faculty of Social, Political and Practice Sciences is one in which the faculty inspires and empowers students to work towards equity and justice. Stephanie Bersin is a single and lives in Boston, Massachusetts, tending of two pets, a cat and dog. Stephanie Bersin's favorite food is a New England crab cake, lobster roll, fruits and vegetables. Um, she is professor, co-chair of Boston College Center for Social Innovation, is designed as Leader for Change by AOSCA, an organization that supports social entrepreneurs around the world. She serves as co-director of the VC for Social Innovation, which works to build the evidence base for social innovation, prepare tomorrow social sector leaders, and promote the capacity of exciting agencies to respond to social problems. Free times and weekends. Stephanie Bersin likes to go for a run in the morning on weekends, and her favorite fruit is apple. They like to have something very soft breakfast every day, like granola bars. They like to walk dog in a Cristobal Colon park. They like to go to social conferences and practices yoga with their friends to relax.